It's like 88 degrees, the birds are chirping, and there's a slight breeze. So I am I am glad to be back from that cold Washington weather. So my name is Robin, and this is my closet. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Tap the bell button so that you get notified of my future video, and a thumbs up if you like it. And if you're returning, as always, thank you so much for your loyalty to my channel. So I'm so excited. I am opening a Stitch Fix. I haven't had one of these for a while, so I'm real excited to unbox it. Most of you know what Stitch Fix is. It's a monthly styling service. It's $20 a month styling fee, but I know a lot of YouTubers have the pass, which is $49. You pay it one time for the whole year, and the credit goes towards anything you purchase, so you could get as many boxes as you want. So I know a lot of us are taking advantage of that. So I had my stylist cat, and I think she went on vacation, and I keep requesting her, so unless she has like months and months of vacation time, I don't know what happened to her, but she would style me so nice. She finally found my odd shaped body clothing. So when you open it up, of course, there's the card with the nasty invoice. Then there is a style card, and what I think is fun, I've been watching a lot of YouTubers, and they are styling it towards what the card says. So if they get a top, they go in their own closet and they put together the outfits like they have on the style card. I am not that coordinated enough to do that yet, so I'll just be trying on the pieces, but there are some great Stitch Fix videos out there. And of course you get the free mailing bag, so you don't pay any shipping. And I do have a link below for $25 credit. So if this is something you haven't tried yet, you get your first box. You don't have to pay that $20 styling fee, and you get $25 on top of it. So that's pretty cool. So again, this box is so small, so I'm thinking there's no handbags or shoes. Oh, but I do see jewelry. So here's my bundle, and let's start with the jewelry. They do have some good brands of jewelry, but I have noticed it's kind of pricey. I mean, you can go to Walmart, Target, Kohl's, TJ Maxx, and get the same jewelry and not have to pay that price. And this is by Shashi. There's a little bag in there, but it wasn't in there. And it looks like it's a necklace. And there's the back. I'm not a huge gold wearer, so I'm not going to even take it out because I know I'm not going to keep this. This is just not my style. So I'm going to put it back, and but we'll check pricing and everything, but I just know I'm not going to wear it, and they packaged it so nice. So let's get into the bundle. I didn't ask for anything because I completely forgot that I was getting one, so I didn't ask for anything. But they do, the stylist puts a nice personalized note. Oh, my card's falling apart, so I'm just going to look to see if it's Kat. No, it's Kayla. So let's see how Kayla did. The first thing that is in the box is by Pink Clover. It is the cami button back knit top, olive, in a size large. It's very soft. It's got adorable sleeves, but you got to check out the back. I have another top. I don't know if it's by them or not. It's like a gray striped top, and it's got the buttons on the back, and I just love it. It's so comfortable. It covers everything up. Looking forward to trying that on. Then the next thing looks kind of boho. It's by Max Studio in a size large, and the Joni tie hem top espresso. It's a cute top. It ties in the front there, but it's not my style. It's cute. It's a very fallish color. You see the sleeves here, but it's just not my style. But of course, I will try it on. The next thing is by Market and Spruce, size large. I wish I could say like size medium, size small. And it's the Trummer V-neck knit top in a large navy. And this is super cute. Perfect for the weather out here. It's just a simple shirt with sleeves. And it's got a cute V-neck. So yeah, looking forward to trying that on. Oh, sorry, I'm just dropping everything. And the last thing is a pair of jeans. Now, because I go back and forth, and we drove up to Washington, but we flew back. So that meant I had to leave a lot of clothes behind. So I did leave a lot of my blue jeans behind because it does get so cold there. I barely wore shorts when I was there. So I am looking. These are a 9 and a size 29. Normally it's like 8 or whatever, so these must be junior. They're kind of cute. They're a deep wash. I don't know if the sun's getting in the way or not. It keeps moving around here. So I will be right back with the try on. Okay, I am back with the first outfit. I am wearing the Judy Blue Lynn bootcut jeans in a size 8, and this top that I do not like, it is the, don't know what it is. It's the Max Studio Joni tie hem top in a large. So the sleeves are really tight. I like the neckline, but I don't like the tie in the front. So I definitely won't be keeping this, and I'm gonna lower you so you can see the jeans without dropping you on the floor. So they said they're a 9 on the pants and an 8 in on the price list, but I don't know, I think they're a junior because they don't fit very good here. So you can see they are a nice boot cut, and I think they fit the rest of the way, but I know as soon as I sit down, the top's gonna fall and this is gonna fall. So what do you think? Let me know. I'll be right back with the next piece. Okay, I am back with the next top. This is the pink Clover cami button back knit top, and they call this olive. Let me lower you there because it looks like you can't see the whole thing. Okay. Okay, it's got these beautiful sleeves, but to be honest, it's really tight in here. I must have those big old arms because it's not working well in here. And as you can see, it's very tight in the chest. So and it is kind of short. I am just having a difficult time adjusting you. So this definitely will not be a keeper. And I think even if I sized up in it, I don't know if I would like it. See if I can get close enough for you to see the back. Kind of crooked, I know. So I will be right back with the next one. Okay, I am back with the last top. This is the Market & Spruce Trimmer V-neck knit top in navy. I like it. I think it fits good in here. But of course, my problem area is this big old belly. I am trying to work on it to make it smaller, but in the meantime, I've got the muffin top. So I'm not sure how it looks. This is the back. It's very comfortable. As I said, it just feels a little tight in here. So let me know what you think. It would be great with pants or shorts. I will be, gotta find the little eyeball thing. I'll be right back with the recap. Okay, I am back with the recap. This video took me like 3 different days to film because I just kept getting interruptions. So let's recap. The total price of this box, if I were to keep everything, is $246. If I did the buy 5, it would save me $61.50, and the total would be $184.50, and that's before tax. It'd be close to $200 with the discount. Individually, the Market & Spruce, that navy top that I wore last, is $28, so that's really not a bad price for a top. The necklace, the gold one that I didn't try on because I knew I didn't like it and I would never wear it, was $64. Now, I signed up for Stitch Fix. This is my 54 Stitch Fix. I know I put a price limit on jewelry, so I would never pay $64. I would have to be so in love with it. The Judy Blue jeans, which I think were kind of a junior fit because they hung so low and they just weren't working, were $58. Not a bad price. The Max Studio Joni tie hem top was, gotta look again, was $58. Now, I didn't love the pattern. I didn't like the way it fit, but I'm sorry. It was just like a boho chic thin top, $58. Do you know how many clothes you can buy for $58? So that's a no. The pink Clover olive, the ones with the buttons on the back, was $38. Again, not a bad price. I'm willing to pay those because they're summer stuff, and you know all summer stuff is on sale right now. So it just seems kind of pricey, you know, to pay for summer clothes. But I didn't like anything. So part of it was fit issues. Again, the necklace isn't something I would ever wear, and to spend $64. So will I try it again? Of course. I will, since I'm gonna, I guess, have Kayla now as my stylist, I will give her a detailed review on each piece and why I did not purchase it. So thank you guys so much for watching. Sorry for all the wacky ways that I had to film this time, and look forward to seeing you again, and have an awesome day.